Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud app. To know how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of SoundCloud. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to force stop and you will click here, OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about SoundCloud and you can update your app if you will find it here in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.